To add a portfolio to Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the Online Store section. From there, click on the Pages tab and then click the Add Page button. In the Page Title field, enter a title for your portfolio page, such as Portfolio or Our Work. In the Content section, you can add a brief introduction to your portfolio, including any relevant information about your products or services. Next, you will need to add a portfolio section to your page. To do this, click on the Add Section button and select the Portfolio section from the list of available sections. Once you have added the portfolio section, you can start adding individual portfolio items. To do this, click on the Add Portfolio Item button and fill in the required information, including the item title, description, and images. When adding images to your portfolio items, make sure to use high-quality images that showcase your products or services in the best possible light. You can also add a call to action button to each portfolio item, such as a link to a product page or a contact form. To make your portfolio page more engaging, consider adding a filter or sorting option to allow customers to easily find specific types of products or services. You can also add a testimonial or review section to showcase feedback from satisfied customers. Finally, once you have added all of your portfolio items and customized the page to your liking, click the Save button to save your changes and make your portfolio page live. By following these steps, you can create a professional and effective portfolio page on your Shopify store that showcases your products or services and helps to attract and engage with potential customers.